Hi guys, welcome to the weekly Wyckoff ETH session. So, before getting into the details for new joiners, if you're new to these sessions, these are the areas that I will talk about, and they're based on two key concepts. Also, these are for research and education purpose only, and also discussion with you as well, also the community that's been following these sessions, and not financial advice, so please take note. So let's begin with Ether. This week, compared to last week, like a shocking week that it almost touches the long-term playground zone. We had a very narrow trading range. Like I talked about the price action in last week's section, if there's no particularly good or bad news, this range between the blue line and the purple line, it's where the trading should be, and like it obviously happened that way. So the price range is about like mid 2,400 to almost 3,000. Let's make it simple. However, if we take like a more micro look, it seems people are trading in a much narrower range. Somewhere around here. So that's actually the levels defined by the earlier candles. Yeah, we've got two candles closing at this point, so that's basically where the trading period in September, October last year was, the trading levels, I should say. For Wyckoff itself, obviously it came down from an upthrust. If there's sufficient demand, obviously it can go back up to retest the green line after breaking through the purple line, and it may go even higher with an upthrust of the distribution that challenged the high set in December 2021. So it's not a must that it returns to the white box immediately. It all depends on the market sentiments and also the demand for Ether. If it does come down, there's some people saying, oh, it won't return to a level like the past, but the accumulation period over here told us that it can happen. The accumulation period happened only like a year and a half ago. Even within like the entire 2023, it was the accumulation period, and that's around $1,600, like $1,600. So it's possible that it returned to that point, even though we see some strong demand as soon as the lines touches the top end of the white box. So let's see what will happen. So let's go deeper into the daily chart. Basically, Ether is still trading within the short-term playground zone. This zone started roughly January last year, so it's over a year now. 400 days over, just over 400 days. So right now, if similar to other altcoins or in other sessions that I've shown you, I draw a center line. It doesn't have to be exactly 50% of the height. The key is, usually happens that way, but the line should be drawn somewhere where you see significant trading activities. What I mean, sorry, let me also set the interval, otherwise we'll see this line in the weekly chart. So what I was saying in terms of frequent trading activities are these, and these, also these. So those will touch this line and bounce back, or like bounce up or bounce lower, depending on whether it's at the upper half or the lower half of the trading zone. There's not much overlapping trading activities. So you can draw the line here, but also you can find a line over here as well. So right between these two lines, the trading didn't stay for long. So if we compare these trading periods and also these to what we have in between these two lines, obviously these are way longer than what we have. So right now here, if it can successfully break above this resistance line, it may jump higher above the second line, like last time in just 2 days, without staying here for too long. The only one time it was February last year. It stayed for almost a week within this zone before entering the next or the upper half of the short-term trading or playground zone. And more likely than not, if there's no particularly good news and bad news as well, both don't exist, the price may trade within this range. And this range, we're talking about somewhere between 2,800 to down to 2,400 roughly. $400 price range, not too bad for trading. So let me take away one line. I'm trying to think which line I should take away. Maybe I'll take away this one, because this seems to be like a resistance line for now, at least this week, and also the longer period between August to November last year. So it's a more prudent choice, I would say. So that's pretty much it for Ethereum, and see you